In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ActiveCampaign account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your affiliate account set up and ready to go, even if you're brand new to ActiveCampaign or affiliate programs in general. First, open your browser and go to ActiveCampaign.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure you're on the official site, and once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Apply Now. This is usually related to their partner or affiliate program. Go ahead and click on Apply Now to get started. When you click that, you'll be redirected to a PartnerStack page. PartnerStack is a platform that manages affiliate and partner programs for many companies, including ActiveCampaign. On this page, you should see a button or link that says Join the Program. Click Join the Program to move into the actual sign-up form. Now you'll be asked for some basic personal information. Enter your first name, your last name, and a valid email address that you have access to. This email is important because it will be used for login details, notifications, and your confirmation link, so double-check that it's correct and that you can open it easily. When you've filled out those fields, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to enter your company name and your website URL. If you have a registered business, use that name here. If you're a solo creator or freelancer, you can use your brand name or your own name as the company name, depending on how you plan to present yourself. For the website URL, enter the main site or landing page where you'll be promoting ActiveCampaign. If you don't have a full website yet, you can often use a simple landing page or a main link where your content lives. You'll also see a section where you need to select your promotional method from a list. This is where you tell ActiveCampaign how you plan to promote their product, for example, through your website, email list, social media, or content marketing. Choose the option that best matches your main strategy. Being accurate here helps build trust and can improve your chances of being accepted. Once everything looks good, click Create Account. The system will now set up your affiliate profile within PartnerStack. To finalize everything, open the inbox of the email address you used to sign up. Look for an email from the partner platform or from ActiveCampaign, and inside that message, you'll find a confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to verify your email and activate your account. After you've confirmed your email, your ActiveCampaign affiliate account is officially created and ready for you to start exploring the dashboard and setting up your promotions.